3D Experience Works provides access to injection molding simulation capabilities that could expand your horizons. And since you're connecting your team on the 3D Experience platform, you can make design decisions faster with robust collaboration around web-based lightweight results. What if you could predict common defects like weld lines, sink marks, air traps, and short shots? Plastic Injection Engineer lets you validate plastic part and mold tooling designs by simulating the filling, packing, and cooling stages. Injection Molding Engineer is connected to your SOLIDWORKS software out of the box and quickly deploys from the cloud. You'll also be able to analyze multi-cavity and family mold layouts, including sprues, runners, and gates. Evaluate your cooling line layouts and runner systems. And estimate cycle time, clamp tonnage, and shot size to optimize feed system design and avoid costly mold rework. Simulation doesn't stop with injection molding analyses. Take on fluids, structures, electromagnetics, and motion studies as well. How could you expand your horizons with advanced simulation and 3D Experience Works?